Yeah, so do check your comment, apply link from the comment section and do apply from there so that you can get chance for hiring or you can chance to get selected there. We post all the types of job notifications to help the youngster and the people to who get work or to get hired. So hi all, it's data engineers map and we will be continuing our Azure 900 certification sample questions or practice questions you can say, so that it will help you so that you may easily crack your exam and you can earn your certificate. Okay, so let's directly continue on the question session only. The very first question we have is uh, you are planning a strategy to deploy numerous web servers and data servers to Azure. This asset strategy should allow for connection types between the web servers and database servers to be controlled. Solution you have recommended is using network security groups in your strategy. Does this solution meet the goals? Yes. So network security groups allow you to define the connection types between your web servers and database servers. Next question. You are planning a strategy to deploy numerous web servers and database servers to Azure. And again, you are trying to define connection types between your web servers and database servers. This time you are recommending a strategy of using local network gateway. Will this meet the goal? No, this solution will not meet the goal. Okay, the next question you have is your company's Active Directory forest includes thousands of user accounts. You have been informed that all network resources will be migrated to Azure. Thereafter, the on-premises data centers will be retired. You are required to employ strategy that reduces the effect on users once the planned migration has been completed. So solution you have recommended is to use Azure multi-factor authentication. Will this solution meet the goal? No, it will not. Next, in this section, you will ask to fill the points or fill these circles you can see. After reading that statement, I am directly pointing to the answer section only. So a platform as a service solutions that host web apps in Azure provides full control of the operating system that hosts applications. So it will be no only. A platform as a service solution that hosts web application, Azure provides the ability to scale the performance platform automatically. Yeah, true. It is. And the next one is platform as a service solution that hosts web application in Azure provide professional development services to continuously add features to custom application. So yeah, it's true. Next again we have this filling the yes or true, yes or no. After reading the each statement. The first statement is Azure provides flexibility between your capital expenditure and operational expenditure. Yes, it is true. If you create two Azure virtual machines that uses B2B, B2S size, each virtual machine will always generate the same monthly cost. So it will be no, it is false statement. When an Azure virtual machine is stopped, you continuously pay storage costs uh, associated to the virtual machines. Yes. Okay, next. You are implementing a software as a service solution. So you are responsible for which of these things? So you will be responsible for only configuring the SaaS solution. Okay, now you plan to migrate all the servers to Azure. You need to recommend a solution to ensure that some of the servers are available if a single Azure data center goes offline for an extended period. So what will be the solution you will recommend? So it will be fault tolerance only. That will help you in this situation. Next. So again, you have this a drop box to select your correct answer. The question is, an organization that hosts its infrastructure will no require a data center, in which case? So in the public cloud, if they host their infrastructure in the public cloud, they will not require a data center. And the next is, what are the two characteristics of the public cloud from the mentioned options? So metered pricing and self-service management are the characteristics from the public from these mentions options. Yeah. So to complete the sentence, select the appropriate options in the answer area. So when planning to migrate a public website to Azure, you must plan to deploy a VPN, pay monthly usage costs, pay to transfer all the website data to Azure, reduce the number of connections to the website. So your answer will be pay monthly usage cost. Okay, now we are that on the profile we will discussing today. So let's continue to that part. So in the hiring alert session, we have profile of analyst today. Actually, uh, we have we will be posting a new link for this and experience. They have asked like freshers to allowed eligibility. Now they have asked for PG computer science only. Means whatever the PG holders, they can apply. Skill sets they have asked for the same which are required for the analyst only. So uh, those people who have the relevant skills can apply. Expected salary is the same as we have 5 to 8 LP only. It is the average salary provided. So yes. So all of the guys who are able to meet the criteria, so do apply, get your opportunity to get hired. Okay, all. So do check our all other content as well, and do subscribe this content and channel. Thank you.